The number of Jesus Nazareno devotees for the traditional Pahalik continues to rise as Traslacion 2026 draws near. Andrea Salve is joining us on the phone for an update. Andrea, what are the final preparations? And has the crowd at Quiapo Church increased at this time?
I'm at Quirino Grandstand as a queue of Jesus Nazareno faithfuls eager to touch the image has reached Katigbak Drive. According to latest data from the Manila Police, the crowd estimate at Quirino Grandstand for the traditional Pahalik is now at 10,000. The line this year is equipped with tents. There is a designated priority lane for senior citizens, pregnant women, and persons with disabilities. So far, the flow is smooth, and as per NCRPO's latest assessment, the Pahalik remains organized. 900 police personnel are currently manning the area. NCRPO Chief Anthony Aberin says their deployment is subject to change depending on the crowd number. Once that Traslacion starts early Friday morning, at least 3,000 personnel will be added to ensure a safe and secure gathering. He also disclosed that around 700 to 800 Jesus Nazareno devotees from the police force were allowed to practice their faith tomorrow, guaranteed that they will help in securing the Traslacion. Besides the Pahalik queue, there's also a buildup of crowd at Burnham Green. Many have already laid their tarpaulins, bringing their umbrellas with them as they wait for the Misa Mayor later at midnight.
Andrea, are there any last-minute reminders for our devotees?
Yes, sabi ni NCRPO Chief Aberin kanina ay sundin yung mga guidelines at panatilihing organisado yung Traslacion. Yun lang naman ang kanya sinabi dahil ayon sa kanya, hindi na nga nila mapipigilan. Once the Traslacion starts, hindi na nila mapipigilan yung pagdami o pagbuhos ng crowd talaga na susunod dun sa andas. Kaya ang paalala lang nila ay panatiling sumunod sa mga guidelines na sinabi at panatilihing mapayapa ang religious gathering. Isa sa pinakamalaking religious gathering sa bansa.
Maraming salamat, Andrea Salve, reporting to us from the Quirino Grandstand.